Okay, we're back. This is hive number 611 Magnolia Tree. It's got a red queen in it. Had a red queen in it on 426. So we're going to go check it. And we may check one more before we go in the house. Let me experiment. Okay. I kept forgetting my stuff. Just in case. Okay, they could use a little food, maybe. See what they got the rest of it. Okay, they used the peppermint. I still use peppermint sometimes, people. And I think they work. Here has some brood on it. The outside frame has brood, has larvae. Side over here has brood, has larvae. Saw something strange there, didn't know what it was. It was a bee foot. Leg. Okay, let's check see what else we got here. We have very young larvae on both sides. Don't see any eggs. But that's them. Both sides. Move this top out the way a little bit. There we go. Check this one. Check the pollen patty for bugs. No bugs. This one here has brood, red queen. Right there. Eggs, larvae. Put her back in the house. Okay, this here's got the brood. Now this is one that they build in themselves, people. This was put in there on the 21st of last month. And today's the 5th. It's got eggs in it. It's got brood in it. And when they're building this kind of frame with the fishing lines, they build both sides at the same time. And the queen puts it in both sides at the same time. And I can cut queen cells out. I can't cut queen cells out near those stuff. And that's two. This one here has brood. Has brood, has eggs. Little larvae. There's a lot of eggs. We done saw the queen. Good looking frame. Y'all gotta remember now, she's just a baby. This one here has brood, larvae. Not sure about eggs. Same thing on that one. It's all outside, so we'll be giving them some food. Saw a little pollen, but not much. I might even go back and get my pollen. I don't have it with me. And you got a little pollen here, a little pollen. They're okay with the pollen then. Like I say, they don't have enough bees to go do what all they got to do. They take care of the bugs. No bugs. Brood on both sides. That's a good little nuke. Or it will be in a week. With the little bees walking around down in there. Oh, the pine straw. My stick back here. There we go. Put their top on. Get food. Okay, and that's that. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share. You know, whenever you're watching my videos, y'all might as well go ahead and give me a thumbs up to start with. Then watch the video. If you don't like it, you can always go back and take the thumbs up away. Comment, you need to watch it all before you give me a comment. We just being fair around here. Y'all have a great day. Bye.